Welcome! Today, I'll show you how to change your Telegram icon in just a few simple steps. This method is fully updated, so whether you're using Android or iOS, you'll be able to give your Telegram app a fresh new look in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Next, tap on Settings. This section controls everything about how your Telegram app looks and works. From here, scroll through until you find Chat Settings. Go ahead and tap that option. Inside Chat Settings, you'll find lots of ways to customize how Telegram appears. You can adjust colors, backgrounds, message corners, and even font size. But for now, let's focus on changing the app icon. Scroll all the way down until you reach the section labeled App Icon. This is where you'll see a variety of icon designs that you can choose from. Telegram often updates these with stylish new looks, from classic and minimalist themes to colorful or seasonal variations. When you find an icon that fits your style, simply tap on it. Your app icon will update instantly, and you'll see the new design right on your home screen. No restart needed and no additional downloads required. It's quick, easy, and gives your phone a personal touch. And that's it. You've just changed your Telegram icon in less than a minute. If you ever want to switch it again, you can come back to the same spot and try out a different design. Customizing your Telegram icon is a small change that can make your phone feel a little more you. Try out a few and see which one feels right for your style. Thanks for watching.